What is up, you guys? It's your girl, Bella Real, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Okay, don't mind the whole makeup schmeal. I am doing 31 days of Halloween, and because we're gonna be gone this week, as you will see, I have to do like 6 looks today. So, yeah. Yesterday I posted several times because again I had to catch up for the times that I was sick last week. It wasn't like really sick. I suffer from chronic migraines and they put me out. So yeah, I was stuck in bed with a really dark room and knocked out on medication the whole time. Yeah. That was like Wednesday through like Friday, Saturday-ish. So follow along the adventure of whatever it is that we're going to do. But do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video, especially right now. Go follow me on TikTok. Literally, I've been posting every single day. And I am really tired. I'm Morticia. I don't know if you can tell. I am so tired. I've been doing looks all day. Or in continuance from earlier. Oh my god. I have, I think, 2 more to do. Help me. I turned off my lights so they wouldn't get super hot and they can have a break as much as me, and we'll be here using some micellar water. Ugh, my poor fucking face. I've been braying out because I've been doing literally makeup every single fucking day, like I said, and this feels so good. I need another one though, where I need to apply more because yeah, I'm gonna use I've been using my Vanny cream. I've been using the daily moisturizer, the one with the hyaluronic acid and ceramides. So I just bring some hydration back into my face, and then sometimes I'll apply like the regular heavier cream on on top, just to kind of like seal it, because my face is dry. But I am gonna do that and then take like a 30-minute break just to like eat something, and then post another one to catch up, and then I'll get started all over again. I think my next one, I think it's Buttercup and Shigo. And the only reason why I'm doing those is because they're both black and green. The only difference between Buttercup and Shigo is that with Shigo, I only have to do my top lip, and then the bottom lip is a nude, and basically the eyeshadow is kind of like the same, except that with Shigo, it's going to be a whole smoky eye and then green, and then with Buttercup, it's going to be like a whole green smoky eye. So yeah. And then obviously side part with half part and different clothing. Yeah. I don't know why I took on this project. Actually, I do know why. My one of my childhood best friends, I've known her since I was 5, 6, since 1999, when I came to the States. And she does every single year, she does 31 days of Halloween. But not only that, she does 31 days of Halloween, like a full-on beat of like different, I'll try to like put her on here so you could see, and then I'll put her Instagram and everything, and her TikTok. Sorry, I had a burp and hiccup at the same time, and I'll put it there so you could see. It's just every single year it's even better and better and better, and I'm doing something that's more corporate appropriate, you know what I mean? She does like full cosplay, full throttle, and she does that for like 4 hours, literally sitting in the same spot so she can do like the transitions, and like it's the same lighting and everything. And I bow down to the queen of Holloway, because oh my god. But I'm gonna take a rest, and then I'll come back in like 30 minutes and continue. Excuse me. Good morning. It's Disney day. I've been in bed for 30 minutes. I don't want to get up. Not because I don't want to go. I'm just like really, 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 really tired. So Fernando went to go and walk the kids. He's so brave. It's like really cold outside. Getting up this early reminds me of like, it's like so nostalgic when I was like little. Brings me back when we lived more down south, and we would have to wake up like at like 4 a.m. to get ready, and it's time to get ready and get up and make breakfast and get some coffee in me. So I don't want to get up. I ended up 31 days of fucking Halloween later than expected last night. I ended around like 9:40ish, and then I showered and then packed some like my last minute stuff, like my meds and all that. All right, let's get ready. But it's so cozy. Babe, look, pumpkins in the windows. Yeah. Hi, babe. How are you feeling?
We waited 6 hours for this.
So the ride broke down, and we waited how many hours?
6.
6 fucking hours to get on this ride. And not even a quarter in, not even a minute in, it's broke down, as you saw. Not gonna lie, Disney, you need to fix your backstage shit. Some of that stuff was flimsy.
All right, one more time. Uno más. Babe, focus.
And that's a wrap on Disney. I can't wait to show you guys what we got. Excited? Where are
Universal.
we? We're home. back from Universal Studios. We're tired. Maybe I'll give you guys a tour tomorrow of our stinky hotel that my husband likes to bring other whores to. Anyway. I just can't look at you right now.
Why? Because your eyes fucked up?